There are two operators in Python for packing and unpacking arguments, asterisk and double asterisk. In this video we are going to see the double asterisk, which is used for dictionaries. To demonstrate unpacking of dictionary items using double asterisk, let's create a function. We will call it getInfo. And inside here we will have a name, a surname, and country. And what it does, it prints the name, the surname, and the country. Good. Now let's have a dictionary. We'll call it info. And it will hold inside key value pairs. So we'll have the first key as a name and its value is back. Next we have a surname. Now let's try to get info and pass inside info. It doesn't work. As you can see, getInfo function is missing two required positional arguments, the surname and the country, because it understood that the whole info is the first argument, which is the name. In order to solve that problem, we will use the double asterisk. Now we have back brace Japan. Here, the double asterisk used before the word info has unpacked the dictionary used with it and passed the items in the dictionary as keyword arguments to the function. Let's have another example. Let's have a function called func, and it has double asterisk with the keyword arguments called KWARGS. And here we will print the type of the KWARGS. Then I want to iterate through the KWARGS. So we will say for key in KWARGS, and we want to print the key and value. So let's say this %s is a placeholder for the key, and the same thing for the value. Then I have the key with the KWARGS and the sub key. Now let's invoke that function called func, and we will say name equal to back, surname equal to brace, and we can say language equal to Python. We have the class of dict. This is what we have done here when we have said that we want to print the type of KWARGS. Next, I have printed each key with each value passed inside that func function. Using KWARGS is very useful, especially when we are not sure about the number of the keyword arguments passed inside our function.